In that last video, I talked about the angle of repose and the angle of static friction. Let's just have a quick look at what that actually means. The coefficient of friction is mu. It's a Greek letter, mu. It's like a U with a massive long tail. So it's basically related to what's happening between the object and the surface. It's looking at a macro scale, what's physically happening between the object and the surface. If we put oil in between the surface, then it's going to slide easier and the coefficient of friction is going to drop. If we put glue in between the surface, it's going to be harder to slide and the coefficient of friction increases. So how much force is needed to get it to slide? We've got 10 kilograms. It might be, I don't know, pick a number. We might need 2 kilograms of force to get it to slide sideways. If we double the force, 20 down, we might need 4. So the angle of, or the coefficient of friction is a ratio between how much force you need to get something to slide and what the normal reaction is pushing up against it. Coefficient of friction is standardised. How much force do you need to slide?
Versus how much force is pushing up. Double the normal reaction pushing up.
Double the force you need.
10 times the normal reaction pushing up.
10 times the force of friction you need to make it move. Here is your equation. The value of the force you need, force of friction, is mu Rm. So, force of friction equals mu times the normal reaction. Let's have a look at a few examples.